Hi everyone! I decided for our nonfiction book review to read Grand Canyon, and that is written and illustrated by Jason Chen. I don't have the book with me because I was able to read it all online and see all the pictures online and everything. And Jason Chen has actually written and illustrated some other nonfiction books as well, including Redwoods, Gravity, and Island, a story of the Galapagos. And in each of his stories, he combines storytelling with facts about whatever he's talking about in his story. I looked into his profile a little bit, or his biography a little bit online, and it says that he usually does extensive research before he writes a story, and this includes swimming with sharks. He has explored lava fields, and he actually also camped at the bottom of the Grand Canyon. I chose this book because the Grand Canyon seemed really interesting to me. I have only been there once, and when I went there, it was really amazing and breathtaking. This book has also won a Caldecott Medal and a Siebert Honor Award. So that's another reason why I chose it, because I was interested in seeing why it won awards. So basically this story follows a young girl and her dad who are hiking throughout the Grand Canyon. They basically start at the bottom of the canyon and work their way up. And as you work your way up, the author gives you facts about each sort of type of scenery that they're seeing and all the animals and the rock forms and all that stuff. Different habitats, how the canyon was formed. That's basically how the story progresses. This book is perfect for grades 4 to 8. The book is fairly complex, the vocabulary used and all of the facts that are given. But for your younger readers, they would probably like looking at the pictures too if they're not able to really comprehend all the facts yet. The pictures are really beautiful. They take up the whole spread of the book, and at the bottom it sort of explains what each fact means. So that's pretty cool. 5 facts that I learned myself when reading this book is that the Grand Canyon was once underwater, fully underwater. There are 3 different habitats throughout the whole Grand Canyon. The hottest part is at the very bottom. And the cliffs on the canyon are formed by the rocks eroding at different rates. And if you were to hike from the very bottom of the canyon to the very top, it's nearly 5,000 feet, which is pretty crazy. This book would be factual because it was giving us history and facts about the Grand Canyon. And then the style that the author used is an expository. So the author basically starts at the bottom of the canyon, like I said before, and works his way up, explaining everything as you go along, and this follows a description and sequence organizational pattern. In this book, some things that are included are a glossary, sort of at the bottom, so it'll explain different vocabulary words. And then all of the pictures were painted or drawn, and each picture, like I said before, is beautiful scenery. He uses a bunch of different colors. And then at the end, there's some double page spreads and a fold out. This book really gave me a better insight of how the canyon was formed And I definitely would recommend, because what intrigued me, first of all, were the pictures, and the facts were stated really clear, and the book was easy to read and understandable. Thank you.